We're joined now by Pan-Africanist Congress of Azania's Mogale City Municipality Councilor Thomas Ntando. Thank you very much for speaking to us, Mr. Ntando. I mean, we've spoken about how this problem is multifaceted, that it extends to even environmental issues, but it also extends to native title and land rights as well. We're talking about the culpability of the private sector, these mining companies that are not being held accountable, who are not accountable to the community that they invest in. How should the government tackle this? What have been your suggestions?
Okay, firstly, maybe let me thank SABC for giving us this opportunity. In terms of your question, what do I think we should do in order to mitigate what is happening? I don't know, man. I think firstly is to correct the wrongdoings that are happening, particularly with regards to the Department of Minerals and Energy. I think that's one. That's where control is not there. There are no means of control. I think that's one. Secondly, I also think that these zamas, it's not just an uncoordinated activity. These people, they have a backing of those who have resources and who are using them to go dig the soil from the ground and bring it back to them and sell it to them. So those who are rich, they've created a market for this. And as a result, it ends up affecting us, the local people, where those who are unemployed, they see being a zama as an alternative in terms of putting bread on top of the table. And because this thing is not regulated and controlled, then these people, they end up doing as they like because they have guns, therefore they feel that they own the township, they can come in and terrorize us. So I think the problem, it would start there. If law is applied correctly, our departments are not, how do I put it, are not corrupt, particularly the Department of Mineral and Resources.
And let's talk about the department, and I want to go back to the issue of if South Africa has a particular developmental agenda, should land rights with regards to minerals and energy, the department itself, mineral resources and energy, not be explored on how to improve the situation? Because a lot of these companies pretty much just up and go when they've stopped industrial mining, leaving in degradation not only the environment but the community.
Yes, ma'am, yes. Basically, that's what is happening. I mean, in Mogale City or in Western, basically, it's known to be a mining area. But then the department does not do anything that seeks to drive, probably, whether you would call it skills development for the local people. So as there could be the one people who assist in terms of maybe mine, the revitalization or closing of these mine dumps that they have left. So as a result, to us, it's something that is just standing there and it attracts other people who sees opportunities into this. So one, as I said, there is no control, there is no plan from the department as to post the mining industry that took place probably up until early or late 90s. What do we do? How do we respond to this challenge? Nothing is happening, nothing we would say. So our government is mum.